Some users have reported that their iPhone 14 suddenly displays an emergency SOS screen. If you are experiencing a similar problem, then this video is for you. Way 1. Restart or force restart the iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. Way 2. Reset Network Settings. Tap the Settings app. Select General option. Scroll down the page to transfer or reset iPhone. Click on Reset Network Settings option. Enter your iPhone screen passcode. Tap Reset Network Settings. Way 3. Update iOS system. Go to Settings app. Select General option. Tap Software Update button. Click Download and install. Enter your unlock passcode. Way 4. Restore the iPhone with iTunes. Connect your iPhone to computer. Then put your iPhone in recovery mode. Run iTunes on the PC. Click Restore option. Click the Restore and Update button. iTunes will start downloading and installing the latest iOS to your iPhone. Pro tip: one click to fix iPhone 14 stuck in SOS mode error. Make sure you have the latest version of iTunes on your PC. Go to the iSend Share official website. Download and install iOS Repair Genius on your computer. Open the software and select System Repair. Choose Standard Mode that not cause data loss. Click the Start button. Connect your device to your computer with a USB cable. Then put it into recovery mode. Click Next to continue. The software will automatically recognize your device model. Click the Download button to download a firmware package. Note, the device's iOS will be upgraded to the latest version. Click the Repair button to start repairing. The device will be repaired successfully in a while. That's all there is to today's topic. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you succeed in one of the methods. If you like the tutorials on our channel, please subscribe to us.